Using color schemes in Photoshop for iPad. Using color in Photoshop on iPad is easy and a great way to make your designs stand out or harmonize. You don't have to stick to just black and white, and the tones in between, known as achromatic. You can use a few simple color schemes to make your design engage your audience. Let's add some text and then add color to the text. Tap on the left T icon to add text. Then, tap on the right Properties tab. Here you can change typeface and font. Further down, you can change color. An easy way to harmonize different colors is to select one color at first, then change the saturation levels. Tap on the Color tab and expand the HSB drop-down menu. Tap on Saturation and use the slider. This is known as Monochromatic Colour and guarantees that colors will match. Choose the next text layer first. Then select the Color tab. Tap on Hue first to make sure it matches. Then change the saturation. To add color with your drawings and paint tools, select your brush and tap on the two circles on the left. Another color theory you can try is to choose three colors that are next to each other to design with, called Analogous Colours. This creates a harmonious color scheme that is pleasing to the eye. Or, if you want your design to really contrast, use Complementary Colours. This is best if you use a color wheel, as you can see the opposite colors easily. So there you have it, how to use colors and color schemes in your Photoshop designs. Enjoy!